I've been wanting to do this, but it kind of got delayed, so I'm doing it now. So I'm on my way to Toronto because I'm going to surprise my daughter today. So she's been bugging me for a pet for the longest time, and I finally decided I'm going to give her a pet, right? So I was originally, she wanted a dog, a Maltese dog to be exact. And my phone is ringing. Yes, Munchkin? Hello? Your video is done. Okay, I will. So leave it, and once I reach Toronto, I will. If I'm coming back late, I'll tell you what to do. But if not, then I'll come back and do it myself. I'm gonna try to come back as soon as possible. Okay? Okay, mommy. Okay, bye. Love you too. Okay. So that was my daughter. Maltese dog to be exact, for the longest time. And listen, I'm not rich. I cannot afford to buy a Maltese dog. It's way too expensive. So my sister, which is her aunt, got her a cat, and we've been wanting to go and pick it up for the longest time. I wanted her to come with me to go pick up the cat, but I decided to surprise her with the cat today. So she thinks that I'm on the road with Peta. Sorry, Peta, I have to use your name, not a liar. But she thinks I'm on the road with Peta. Right? So I told her I'm going to go on the road, go run some errands. She doesn't know. Well, I did tell her I'm going to Toronto, but she doesn't know that I'm bringing home the cat. Right? So I'm on my way right now to Toronto. Sorry if my camera is like shaking, guys. Can't help it. But I'm on my way to Toronto right now. I am going to pick up the cat with my other sister. When I get to Toronto, guys, I will come back on here to let you guys see the cat and everything. But I can't wait to see her reaction because she doesn't know at all. She knows she's getting the cat, but she thinks it's tomorrow. So she doesn't know at all that she's getting the cat today. And I'm super, super excited to see her reaction. So let's go, guys. Let's go pick up the cat and come back. So yeah, I will be back once I get to Toronto.
In this room, I felt your hands upon me.
Okay, guys, so I'm now in Toronto and I'm about to go directly to the guy's house to pick up the cat because my sister said he has to go to work, so I would need to get there ASAP. So when I get there, I will tell you guys, I will get back to you guys. So I'm on my way there right now, and my camera is a bit shaky, so once I get to the guy's house, I will get back on here and update you guys on the kitty cat. Okay, guys, don't mind my messy car, but this is Cinnamon. She is so tiny. She is so sweet. We are about to take her home to Kamaya, but first we gotta go by Auntie Giselle so we can get your kitty bag. All right, let's go, Cinnamon. Look at me. Okay, guys, so I'm at my sister's house and her girlfriend's birthday was just the other day. That's why there's so much balloons on the floor. And so we're waiting to go by my other sister, my older sister, to go give her her birthday gift because it's gonna be on Sunday and I live all the way in Whitby, away from her. So I'm doing it now since I'm in Toronto, getting the cat. So we're gonna do that as soon as she's ready for work. And yeah, I like this standing mirror here. So my sister bought me some stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys. Um, I've lost a lot of weight, guys, so like I'm getting new things constant. But I will show you guys what they look like and stuff. So I will be right back. Cinnamon is in the balloons. I don't know why, but let her stay there until I'm ready to go again and pick up her goodie, her little travel bag. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try on these clothes that I got from my sister, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so first outfit I'm trying on is a two-piece. Looks like this, blue, royal blue, and it has like a hoodie, like a little hoodie. So I am going to try it on and okay, guys, so this is number one. It's a little bit baggy in the waist. That's because I'm losing too much weight, but that's all right. That's okay. I can fix that. But other than that, it's really cute. I really like it. I'm actually thinking of getting these try-ons that I'm doing today for my business. So if you are not following me on my business page as yet, please go on over to Instagram and click the follow button at FP Collections. This I'm probably going to be adding to my collection. In fact, not probably. It's going on my collection, and I'm going to be getting it in all different colors. So let me know if you like it in the comment box below, or if you want to order, and I will go ahead and let you know if I have your size and color. I was thinking to put the FP on the like my FP logo on the front here with like rhinestones. So let's see how they sell first, and then if so, I'll bring them back with the rhinestones. All right, next outfit. Okay, guys, this is the next outfit. I'm a little bit flat in the back, but that's okay. Not every man wants a big butt girl, so yeah, I represent for the flat ass girl them. I'm joking, but guys, don't mind the big panty underneath. It's just a try on, but I really like this, and it's pretty long, guys, and she got this bag as well. Honestly, guys, I'm thinking of adding these to my collection because they are really, really nice. So cute little bag. I really, really like it. I may have to wear it with black underwear and black bra, and wear a tummy tucker because the belly is still not too flat. But I really like it. It's really, really nice. Fits my curve perfectly. Maybe me and hubby will go on a date. So yeah, I like it, guys. Let me know what you all think about these outfit in the comment box below. This is my favorite one out of both of them. This one. Look at Cinnamon. Come here. Come here, Cinnamon. She is so tiny and cute. I can't wait to show her to Kamaya. I don't know why she's always hiding. There she is. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and change back into my regular clothes I was in, and I will be back to show you guys a few other things that I ordered for my photo shoot that is coming up. So I have a photo shoot coming up pretty soon. So as you guys know, I'm engaged. I've been engaged for 3 years now, Giselle. Yeah. 3 years now. So I'm hoping, I was supposed to do my wedding last year. That didn't happen because of COVID. I'm hoping to do it this year. I'm just thinking of doing a small wedding, or maybe we'll just do it next year when COVID's kind of calmed down. So we'll see all about that. But I am doing the photo shoot on June 12th. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna be doing my hair and my nails and all of that, and I think I'll just take you guys with me for that day. So if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and change and then show you guys the other things that I got. I have to change my top because the other one kind of messed up, so I'm wearing a different shirt. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a few tops that I bought for our photo shoot. They're really cute. This is the first shirt, guys. It says, "He's my king." And then, this is his. It says, "She's my queen." And this is Malik's, I think. Yeah, this is my son's. And it says, "I'm their prince." And the other one says, "I'm their princess." No, guys, these tops are good quality, very nice quality. Guys, I got this shirt from Godson, one of a friend of ours.
Six Love Clothing.
And if you do want to get custom made items, or if you do want to do if you do want to buy anything from his collection, you can go on Instagram and follow him at 6 Love Collection.
6 Love Clothing.
Sorry, 6 Love Clothing. I'm gonna put his handle down on the screen right here, so you guys can go ahead and go check him out on Instagram. His stuff are good quality, guys. Trust me, I love them. This is not the first time I've ordered from him, so y'all know when I say I love him. Plus, he does other things other than clothing. He does like printing on like mugs, and he does, what's it called? He does graphic designs and stuff like that. So go ahead and check him out on Instagram, guys, at 6 Love Clothing, or at 6 Love. I'm gonna find his Instagram handle and put it down on the screen below, so you guys can go ahead and check him out. Now the last item I have inside of the bag is this shirt here. It's a small, and it says "World's Best Mom." I can't wait to put this on for my little mini photo shoot on Sunday. Okay guys, so I'm at my sister's workplace. I'm going in there to surprise her. At least she comes.
You're too fancy.
Hi Daisha! How are you?
You're too fancy.
You don't want to be in the picture? Bye! Come, I don't have any mask. How are you? There she is, guys.
Okay.
You brought your surprise. Come, Daisha, let me show you something. Come. Look at the kitty. Do you see how she is so cuddly? She's like just relaxing.
One, two, left your hair on you.
Don't make her get sick.
Anyways, going to collect you.
So guys, I am sitting in the car. I'm waiting for my sister. She just went inside the store to go get patties and cocoa bread. So my lips are very dry. So me and Cinnamon is just chilling. She is so cuddly, guys. Like, she's just chilling in my lap. She's a bit cold because she was shivering just now because I have on the AC. I had to turn it down because she's a little bit cold. She was shivering, so now she's like laying in my lap and just chilling. Like, she is the sweetest little kitten. Cinnamon, say hi. She's gonna have to get used to knowing her name is Cinnamon. We're gonna have to train her to use her litter box. It's going to be problems if we don't, but because her daddy's already planning to start to put her out if she make a mess. So we're gonna have to make sure that doesn't happen. But she is very cuddly. So far she's been good. She hasn't been giving me any kind of trouble at all. The only thing is to get her in, the car, like taking her out and getting her back in is a problem, because I think she is like getting car sick. But yeah guys, so when we get home I will come back on here and show you guys Kamaya. We're gonna be heading back to Toronto, to Whitby, in like a couple of seconds. Guys, I just got back home. I'm in the parking lot right now, and I'm about to go upstairs to surprise Kamaya with the kitten. I don't know what she's doing right now. I'm hoping she's not in the living area when I get inside, because I want to see her reaction and I want to get it, and I have stuff in my hands, so hopefully I get her reaction. So stay tuned. She's so cute. You can lift her up. Watch her claws though. They're very, very, very like sharp.
Hi.
So guys, I was expecting a better reaction from her, but she Okay, come here. Come here. Good shot. How do you feel?
Excited.
Yeah, so say something.
I'm really excited. And we're gonna name her Tanya Tantan Crosby.
No Crosby, nothing. Feels. Excuse me. We're naming her Tanya Tantan Feels. Cinnamon as her pet name. Or Tantan.
No, where are you going?
But Kamai is excited. She's there trying to find the cat underneath the table. So yeah, that was a good little surprise, guys. I was expecting a better reaction, but this one will do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and turn your notification on so when we post new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And I will see you all next Friday. Bye.